If you're looking to improve your editing skills and take your videos to the next level, then learning how to ripple move and extend a frame is a great place to start. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate both tools and then walk you through a few examples of how they're used together. Let's start with ripple move. Ripple move is the process of moving all of the clips to the right of a piece of media on the same track at the same time. To do this in Camtasia, hold Shift, then click and drag a clip. Everything to the right of the clip and the clip itself moves as one, and you can move the clips anywhere on the timeline, including from track to track. To ripple move clips on multiple tracks, hold Shift, select a clip on each track, continue holding Shift, and click and drag. Another way to ripple move is to hold Shift, then click and drag the playhead. This is called a ripple split because it splits the clips on all tracks, then ripple moves them with the playhead. This is a great way to create space on the timeline. Next, we have extend frame. Extend frame essentially duplicates a frame of your recording, which you can drag to make longer or shorter. To do this in Camtasia, hold the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. Mouse over the edge of a clip, then click and drag. You should notice the cursor change to a box with an arrow to show that an extend frame is about to happen. When extending a frame, a stitch appears that indicates where the video ends and the extend frame begins. Now that you know both tools, let's walk through two examples of how they work together. The first example is really common. A person needs to create space in the middle of a project to make room for a longer explanation or to add additional content. To do this, hold Shift and drag the playhead. This creates space on the timeline that you can fill with new content, or extend the frame of the video to accommodate a longer audio recording. For the second example, let's look at how we create our tutorial videos. When building our videos, we first record the narration, then create the screen recordings. This often results in screen recordings and a narration that are different in length. We then work through the recordings and use split, ripple move, and extend frame to sync the audio and video. For example, here I have an explanation of a complex process. However, the visual process is quick. To provide more time to talk, I split the video where the process occurs, ripple move all of the media to the right, then extend the frame of the process to span the narration. Now that you have a better idea of how to use ripple move and extend frame together, get out there and start editing like a pro. Thanks for watching.